Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, lesson 25. The topic is I hear you. We are studying habit 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. So, there are some poor listening habits. The poor listening habits are some poor listening habits are pretend. The first one is pretend. Pretend means that you are showing to the other person that you are listening to him and you are saying certain words like, yeah, but in fact you are not listening and you are just thinking about something else. Then spacing, you are listening but some sentences you are listening, then you start thinking about some other thing. Then selective, you are paying attention only to certain things if the speaker is you interest whatever the speaker is saying. If you do not have any interest of the talk, whatever he or she is saying, so you are not paying attention to that person. And then self-centered, so whatever you are listening from your own point of view. And then word, you are only paying attention to the words, whatever the other person is saying, and you are not paying attention to the body language or between the lines, whatever somebody is trying to say. So some bad listening habits are: number 1, pretend; number 2, spacing; number 3, selective; number 4, self-centered; and number 5, word. Pretend means that you are pretending that you are listening, but in fact you are not listening. Second is spacing. You are somewhere you are listening, sometimes sentences you are listening, you are not listening to the whole conversation. And selective, that you are only listening, you are only interested in those things which interest you, which are of importance to you. And self-centered is that you are listening from your own point of view, from your perspective. And word, that you are only concentrating on the words, not on the body language or between the lines, whatever somebody wants to say. So the genuine listening requires listening with your own ears, with eyes, and with heart. With ears means that I don't interrupt, and eyes, I don't understand your body language. Eyes means that I understand your body language, and heart means that I want to understand your point of view. And mirroring means these are some good habits, that you repeat certain words in the conversation to know that yes, you are understanding what other person is saying, and stand in their shoes, that you try to understand whatever the other person is saying and you try to look from their perspective. So the first part of habit 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood, means to listen first and speak second. Listening to other people's ideas and trying to see things from their paradigm makes them feel important. Let's just have some examples. So bad listening skills which we have learned today, the first one is pretend. So just think of some examples. When your friend is talking to you or your mom is talking to you, you are pretending that you are listening, but in fact you are not listening. Then spacing, that your friend is talking about something which is like you are thinking about something else. So some of the sentences you have missed, and your friend is saying that what I was saying to you, and you do not actually remember that what he was talking about. So just try to avoid these bad listening skills. And the fifth habit is that seek first to understand and then to be understood. Have you just thought that why your relation with your teacher, mom, or your friend is different? Why you differently listen to your teacher, why you differently listen to your mom, or why you differently listen to your friend? So how would your relationship with your parent or guardian improve if you try to see things from their perspective? So there are two paradigms. One is your paradigm and one is the paradigm of the other person. So the habit 5 is seek first to understand, then to be understood. The take home from this chapter is that avoid bad listening skills and start using the good listening skills. Thank you.